Welcome to Karanganyar City, a beautiful regency located in Central Java Province, 14 kilometers from east of Surakarta, marked by Bengawan Solo River.
With the motto of Karanganyar Tantram, Karanganyar provides many potential tourism destinations, such as temples, waterfalls, plantation, agrotourism, and parks.
Even Karanganyar is a home of the Mangaduk Hill, Mangkunegaran Royal Burial Complex built upon a small mountain and circle.
100 meters away in the Muslim complex of the former President Suharto, Astana Giri Bangun, as well as the alleged final resting
Place of legendary Javanese leader Raden Mas Sambernyawa at the base of the same hill titled Argosari.
Karanganyar is a tourism city indeed. If we are having picnic in Karanganyar, don't forget to buy a specific gift from Karanganyar. That is Jadah. Hello guys, good morning. We are from SMK Negeri 2 Karanganyar, Central Java. I'm Benedictus Yuandre Putro, will tell you about Jadah. In this change, I'm accompanied by my friends.
Hi, my name is Amelia Mutiara Anugrahadi. Just call me Amel. And next, hi, my full name is Azila Nufadri Jayani. Just call me Azila.
Well, here's about Jadah X, appetizing unique legendary food from Karanganyar.
Jadah is legendary food, but it becomes a trendsetter of traditional food in Karanganyar. The food is usually combined with other food, that is, tempe. So the popular name of such a food is Jadah Tempe because it consists of two foods, dera, jadah, and tempe.
It is so delicious and unique. The taste is a blend of two flavors, namely sour and sweet. Jadah tastes sour and tempe tastes sweet. You salt at jadah and tempe together.
If you eat them separately, the taste is not as delicious as eating them together. That is why Jadah Tempe is called Javanese burger.
There are various kinds of jadah. It is not only jadah tempe, but there are jadah durian, jadah coklat, jadah strawberry, jadah serundeng, jadah blondo, even they can be roasted. So the name is jadah bakar.
Yummy! It is really an appetizing, unique, legendary food. Moreover, it is combined with many flavors, such as durian, strawberry, chocolate. Put inside the jadah, then it is usually roasted when they will serve.
Well, if you visit Karanganyar,
You can buy them to Jadah Tempe Mbah Timan. It is the popular style of Jadah with various flavors. Located in the Main Street, Solo Tawangmangu, Popongan, Gerdu, Karangpandan, Karanganyar, Central Java.
You can also order by phone with the number or via email. If you want to get more information, you can visit via IG Jadah Tempe Mbah Timan.
Wow! We can preserve the culture by consuming traditional food named Jadah. This is the end of telling story about Jadah. Don't forget, if you visit Karanganyar, buy Jadah at Jadah Mbah Timan S. It is a must try. Thank you for watching and bye bye.